Origin is building something bigger than a platform. We're engineering a new economic operating system for a world that's automated, decentralized, and regenerative by design. Imagine Stripe, GitHub, and co-ops, all running on transparent rails. Value flows directly between people, ventures, and tools. That's the foundation of a post-capitalist economy. Big tech uses AI for profit. We use AI to create public wealth. Origin, sub-business units like Unice share revenue with contributors and local economies. AI that pays people, not just shareholders. From hemp-based bioplastics and oils to financial technologies and artificial intelligence engineering network, Origin ties technology to biology. Production stays local. Profits regenerate ecosystems, land, minerals, housing, digitized, verified, and made investable. No speculation, just ethical ownership. Think NFTs, backed by calcite and gold mines, and tokenized real estate with clear sourcing. These aren't standalone concepts. Together, they form the regenerative infrastructure stack, where intelligence, capital, and biology reinforce each other in real time. Speculation replaced with real revenue. Closed AI replaced with public tools. Disconnected crypto replaced with land, labor, and logic. Origin isn't hype. It's infrastructure built for a future we can survive. The fall is coming. Control is collapsing. Origin connects. Follow us. Build with us.